put me under arrest.
I'm not arresting you now.
Hey.
Stop.
Okay, enough,
Stop.
enough. I can't.
Stop.
I can't.
Can you close?
What am I being arrested for?
Battery to police officer.
Do you have a report for that?
Yes.
I don't remember doing any battery. What is the definition of battery, please? Please stop. Please, I will do anything. I'll just go home. I'm sorry.
What do you do when the police refuse to take your report? This story starts with a simple visit to the station and escalates into a tense confrontation. Who's in the right and why was the case never opened? Find out what really happened.
Yes, Miss.
So I was told by the Cook County Sheriff that I could file a police report.
They're wrong. We are not taking any more reports for you. You were
You haven't taken any, so
Yes,
as of
we
now,
have.
I'm a civilian. What is the case number?
Miss. What are you trying to report?
I am trying to report that I have T-Mobile phone records.
You don't.
Okay, is this like some alternate reality where I have an email that you can't see? He claims that I
am
sent
not.
texts.
We're done. We're not reopening this case. We are not
There
investigating
is
this.
no case because I haven't filed one yet.
I'm not taking your report.
Okay, I'm going to stand here so you let me file a case because
you
as a civilian, I have the right to do so.
If you want to stay in our lobby, you can. But if you're disruptive, you will be arrested.
Okay, let's put me under arrest.
I'm not arresting you now.
Hey,
Now you're under arrest.
Let's do this.
Okay.
No.
We're okay. Okay. Hey,
Don't stop.
don't.
Stop.
Okay, enough,
Stop.
enough.
On channel 2, can I get more help for the front desk, please, in the lobby area?
You're under arrest for battery of police
Okay.
officer.
Okay,
Stop.
I can't.
Okay.
Relax.
I can't.
Relax.
Okay. Can you close the medics, please? Relax, Miss.
You're
Okay.
not letting me.
Just
Relax.
relax, and then we'll get it all taken
Relax.
care of. Okay? You want to do it in the front?
Yeah, if they'll make her calmer, we'll
I
keep you in the front.
Okay, you don't have to arrest me.
You are under
I
arrest.
just-
You battered me.
I
You
know.
are under arrest.
No, I shoved you because you weren't giving me the rights to file a police
We're
report.
also going to call the paramedics to have you checked out. Stop resisting.
I would like-
I will put you in handcuffs behind your back.
We're trying to be.
We're trying to be polite to you. So what's it going to be?
I'll remain cooperative.
You are getting handcuffed. Where it's not.
I would like to not be handcuffed.
No, you're under arrest. Okay. All right, just put it behind the back. We're done. Just relax.
No, we're going behind the back. Just put her down.
Yeah, just stop.
You gotta let go.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah, it is.
This is racism. This is
Are we getting
ultimate
behind her back, or
racism
are we
right
doing-
here.
Just let her.
Ultimate racism.
All right, put your hands behind your back. You are under arrest.
Do it now.
I'm sorry, I don't understand English. Could you get me a translator, please?
Thank you.
Let go, Anthony.
I believe in God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth, of all that is seen and unseen.
Bro, slipped out.
Can you please help me?
I got you.
You take care of him too. Stop resisting, Miss Choi.
I don't want to be raped.
You're not being raped.
It's all recorded, okay?
Put your hand right here.
Okay, well, if you're not gonna file my police report,
You just picked up additional charges: resisting arrest, obstructing justice.
Got her shirt.
Do not kick anyone.
Seriously, you guys, just put her on the ground.
All right, get on.
okay.
On the ground, come on.
Gently.
I'm sorry. What am I being arrested for?
Battery to police officer.
Do you have a recording of that?
Yes.
I don't remember doing any battery. What is the definition of battery, please? Please stop. Please, I will do anything. I'll just go home. I'm sorry. Please stop.
Okay, stop resisting and give me your arm.
Please stop.
Okay.
Please stop. I understand.
I
You
have
can
this
just shoot
arm.
me
You
now.
get her other
Just
arm
shoot me now. Please stop. Please stop.
Go ahead.
Please stop.
Ow.
Please stop. Please stop.
okay?
Please. Please. I understand.
Now relax.
I understand.
Just
I'm not
relax.
gonna.
Relax.
I haven't.
Hold on.
Good.
She slipped out of this one before. Do we have a key? Or
Please stop. Please stop. Please help me. Please help me. I'll go in. I'm sorry. I'll go home. My dad has an issue. I just want to go home.
This has double locks on it.
I don't want to be in.
Okay, we got the paramedics coming. So we're gonna wait for that.
So can someone explain to me why I can't file my police report?
I would say no.
No one can explain that to me, but I'm filed for arrest for battery of...
Ma'am, stop with the legs.
What am I doing with my legs?
You're kicking me again.
I'm kicking you?
If you're trying to lift up your legs.
No, I wasn't.
Don't do it.
I'm not doing anything. So you're just lying for the police videos now? You're saying I'm doing things when I'm not moving? Maybe it's like my calf muscle that was like spasming. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. I'm sorry, who are you? I'm Karen. I came in here to file a police report because I feel in danger of someone that's been harassing me for the past year. They refused to file a police report. Commander Adante has instigated. He's, hung up the phone on me, laughed at me. So I gave him a shove, a slight shove, because I felt threatened. So here I am on the floor. Yeah. I don't want anyone. I'll go home if I'm not.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Hi. It's the fire department.
Hi.
What's going on today?
I came in here to file a police report.
Can you be calm?
Oh, I'm sorry.
No. Could they let go of you and you just be calm?
Yes.
Can you promise me that?
Yes.
We don't want to have them hold you down.
Okay.
Okay? You want to try sitting up?
Yeah, if I can.
Okay.
Please.
And then we'll be calm and just talk to us. How does that sound? Okay. Let's try that.
Let's roll your way.
Okay. We're gonna roll you this way, okay? 13. Roll you. Okay. Oh, just on your side. Sit up. Sorry. There you go. Right like that.
Okay. So talk to me. What's going on?
So I came in here to file a police report.
Okay.
It's an ongoing thing. Someone filed a false police report against me. I've been harassed by this person.
Okay.
I have evidence that they've committed a crime against me.
Okay.
No one in here so far has been able to file a police report. That's all I came in here to do today.
Okay. So how did they end up holding you on the ground? What happened?
Commander Dante likes to play tricks on me. I've left him at least 20 voicemails. Last time one of the last times I spoke to him, he said, hang on, I have another call. I'll call you right back as soon as he picks up.
So, a little history. Miss was arrested for violation of order of protection in March of 21. She, during that time, started stalking one of the police officers. Subsequently was arrested for harassment by telephone to one of the officers. She continually calls frequently. She's claiming she wants to file a police report. She's tried to do this in the past. We've repeatedly told her we're not taking a report. So she came in today unannounced. I told her I'm not taking any more reports for you. So she pushed me, and then she started screaming quite loud. She shoved me, and she was screaming. Karen probably heard her praying. Yeah, she's under arrest for battery.
Okay.
Now, we may charge later, depending on what happens at the hospital, but yeah, she's under
I'm
arrest.
just concerned about your health. So if you don't have any medical complaints, it doesn't sound like you want to harm yourself or anything.
I don't want to go with the paramedic.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's any reason you have to go to the hospital. It sounds like you are under arrest. That has nothing to do with me, unfortunately. So I just got to get some information from you.
Sure, what's your name?
What's my name? My name's Matt.
Okay.
And do you mind if I check your vitals while you start?
And what's your date of birth?
Is that all
What
right?
is this for?
This is, I have to get a refusal, so we got called out. So this is a refusal saying you don't want to go to the hospital.
Pulse and blood pressure.
Oh, before they got here, she had an utter meltdown. Just screaming, you saw the praying. I relate to your partner. So she came in, she's obviously very upset. She turned around, she's like, arrest me. I'm like, we're not arresting. She turned around, she shoved me, and then just started screaming.
Is this the address you want to give them?
No. It's on my phone.
You might give us the passcode for the phone so we can get in there and look at the address.
I'm sorry?
Can we get the passcode for the phone?
Oh, there's no passcode.
Okay. Can we open the phone and look for you? Because you're obviously handcuffed. You can't go on your phone.
I mean, I can do this.
No.
Okay, well,
What do we need her sister's address for?
let's
For what?
review for the paramedics.
Yeah, it's just on our end, just the medical paperwork. We need a current address, if that's possible. If it's not,
Well, listen, Meaty, we're not going to let you use your phone right now.
Okay, well, I'm not going to give that address.
Hey, guys.
I refuse to give an address, and he said that's okay. Napoleon, please put that down. Well, thank you for taking away more of my rights, I guess. What's up?
You're under arrest.
Okay. He just said that they don't need an address, so I don't understand why he's. I mean, I get that.
Meaty, your property can be gone through because now you're under arrest, so we can search your property instant to arrest and your person right now because we can't have any.
We've already done so. I mean,
So they're going to get your address for their paperwork, and then we're going to go forward from there. Okay?
And you definitely don't want to go to the hospital and see
I mean,
anyone
if
talk to
it's
anyone?
between going to the hospital and being in one of their holding cells, I prefer the hospital, I guess.
So, what, you want to go to the hospital, talk to someone?
If
tell
I
them
have a
what's going on?
choice, I'd rather just
Well,
walk away
I
from
don't,
this
it's
knowing
not a this
that.
or that. If you
That's
want to go,
a pretty good choice right now.
if you want to go, I just need to hear you say, hey, yeah, I want to go, and you can talk to someone, tell them everything that's going on. And maybe that's a better situation than sitting on the floor, but I just need you to let me know you want to go and tell
I'm
someone
confused
else.
about my rights. Am I able to call like a lawyer because
I'm just an
what you're
ambulance
telling
guy.
me is I don't have any property. They're going to search my property, but I can go to the hospital.
I'm just,
Is that
we're just here with the
and
ambulance.
they're so are they agreeing to what you're saying that I can just go to the hospital and then what
Well, I
happens
don't
after
know
that?
what becomes, I just want to get you help at the hospital to tell anyone what's going on. And
What's
that's
going
all
on
I can do.
is a law enforcement issue.
I am not, we're not law enforcement,
Okay,
remember.
so it's-
But if you want to go to the hospital and talk to someone, we'd be more than happy to stand you up off the ground and bring you to the hospital so you can talk to someone.
Is it Karen?
I can go to the hospital with you, but you'd be talking to staff there.
Okay, I just want to know why I can't file a police report. Is it because of something about my personality or?
No.
Okay.
And I think that it sounds like things got a little bit out of hand, and you were really upset earlier, really upset.
I understand that clearly people don't have any regard for me, but if there's any way that I can just be not arrested, I guess that's the preferred option to being able to report a crime.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. I think that piece that.
So if I go to the hospital, I would still be under arrest?
Correct.
And then they wouldn't let me leave with my own.
Correct.
Like I wouldn't have the option to choose when to leave.
Right. It's not a like this or that. It's a you can go there to talk to somebody if you're really kind of feeling stressed out and angry and upset about stuff, but you still are under arrest. So you still would have to come back here. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Can I choose what sort of holding cell I stay in? Because I know I'm claustrophobic. I know the holding cell here has like 0 breaks and
Yeah, I don't think you can choose.
When it comes to that point, and I don't know if it's going to come to a point where you're going to sit in a holding cell, but we can work with you on where you be placed.
okay, because they didn't give me the option.
Okay, but I don't know what the next steps are. We're 7 steps ahead of where we are right now. Okay, so I think that the best thing, and I think what everyone is in agreement here, is that we have an exam to make sure that everything is going well here, and then we take care of the paperwork that we need to take care of and get you out of those handcuffs. When
What do you mean, like, well here? Just physicality? Or?
Yeah, you're fit. I mean, when I walked in, you were on the ground being, restrained.
Against my will, yeah.
Okay, well, we want to make sure that you're okay to move to the next step. Like I said, 7 steps down the road, if there's ever a cell there, we'll cross that
Right,
bridge.
I guess if I was incurred any damage, it'd be like to die on the plane.
Yeah, I don't know, but right now, this is what we're talking about here.
So you don't want to go to the hospital, or you do? Either way, like they said, either way, the police side is that's a separate matter. If you want to go to the hospital and speak with someone, or if
Who am I going to be speaking with at the hospital?
a doctor, someone on the medical staff there, if you feel that that's what you need and that's what you want.
I don't really have any feelings about my physical condition.
Well, then what we have then is just a refusal that you don't want to come with us, and then you could go and figure out the situation with the police department. Unless you want us to do something for you as far as the ambulance side. Do you want the ambulance?
No, to answer your question.
Okay. Then that's what this gentleman was asking you, that information, just because we came here.
Yeah, if I'm being put in a holding cell, I might call you again. So.
Well, again, it's
not burning any bridges there.
Well, you're under arrest, so it sounds like you're
I could be put in a holding cell. He said I might not be. So.
No, I said we'll cross that bridge when they come to it.
So there's a few steps. So
Yes, there's
once I'm put in the I understand.
Can we clear up? Obviously, if you need us again.
Sure.
You want to finish your stuff, Matt?
Yeah, I just need a signature.
Remove ourselves from the situation.
Is there any way? Will you be able to sign this with your handcuffs on?
Can I refuse to sign?
Yes.
You could refuse to sign.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Obviously, if something changes.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, stand up, Michelle.
Stand up, okay? Can you stand up?
He just said to stay here.
No, you're under arrest. You're going in the back.
Yeah,
So
we're
I need you to stand up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, please.
Okay, can someone help me?
Yep. You ready? Okay. Swing your feet out so you can actually stand up. Like you're going to stand up. Bend them. Okay. Like, bend your knees. Okay, I can't. This is like really hard. Okay.
Bend your knee.
Just bend your knee and we'll pick you right up. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to take the cuffs off you.
Okay.
And you're going to
Sit here.
yes. Okay. If that changes, if we have to put handcuffs back on, we'll do it. Okay. You calm down a little bit. I think we can. This is doable, right? Be calm?
okay.
Okay. Turn around for me. Okay. Swing that arm out for me. Okay. Take a seat. Okay.
The suspect is charged with aggravated battery and resisting arrest. She is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. However, the actions of the suspect could lead to serious consequences. It's always better to stay calm, respond to police questions reasonably, and tell the truth. Remember, proper behavior in such situations can minimize immediate risks and help ensure your safety. This video is created for educational purposes to help understand the importance of proper conduct in police-related events.